Almonds are an excellent food to eat every day because they are full of proteins, vitamins, and fibers. Eating them regularly is thought to reduce the risk of health problems like cancers, heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. And though they also have a fair monosaturated kind that actually protects your heart. Still, almonds contain quite a few calories, so it is best to eat them in moderation. It may sound incredible that just 4 daily almonds could do anything at all for your health, but it is true. In 1 ounce of almonds, you will get 3.5 gram of fibers, 6 gram proteins, and 9 gram of monosaturated fat. Almonds also deliver a good amount of vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. So what can all that goodness do for your body? You will be surprised by the 7 important benefits that occur if you eat at least 4 almonds every day. Almonds are great for reducing bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. And that is important because high cholesterol put you at the risk for all sorts of health complications including heart attacks, stroke, and peripheral artery diseases. When you substitute almonds for an unhealthy snack like chips or candies, can reduce your bad cholesterol by up to 10%. The benefit is linked to the vitamin E content. With the nut meat and the flavonoid contained in the papery skin of the almond together, they prevent the development of artery clogging plaque. Almonds are uniquely positioned to give you virtually all the vitamins and minerals necessary to improve the condition of your hair stronger. And finally, the vitamin B thickness the strands and impart a natural shine. Incidentally, applying almond oil to your scalp can prevent dandruff and soften and nourish hair strands directly. Almond oil has been used as a beauty product for both hair and skin, since the ancient Egyptians hold almonds as one of the ultimate beauty product. There are many ingredients in almonds that make them a heart-smart snack. The monosaturated fat can help control high cholesterol for one, but the fiber, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant sterol all benefit heart health very well. Almonds are a great source of largering, which have been shown to make the artery walls more flexible and thus less likely to develop the blood clots that can block blood flow and cause cardiac arrest. To get all of the health benefits, be sure to eat the shell as well. We all want to prevent premature aging, and almonds can help because of their manganese and vitamin E content. Manganese is a protein that helps to produce collagen. Collagen is the connectivity tissue within the skin that keep it tight and smooth. Vitamin E is able to protect against skin damage by absorbing UV radiations from the sun, thereby reducing the appearance of dark spots and wrinkles. It also reduces the skin inflammation and eliminates redness. Almond shell are a great source of prebiotic which support the growth and multiplication of the good bacteria in our gut. Gut bacteria is responsible for metabolizing nutrients from food and medications. It also protects against interstitial infections and makes vitamin K important for producing blood clotting proteins. Prebiotic feed these important gut bacteria, but beyond that, recent studies indicate the regular consumption of prebiotic food can improve immune system function and lower the risk of cancer, heart attacks. Though almonds contain a lot of fat and calories, they can actually help you shed pounds. Studies show that eating almonds can contribute to a feeling of satiety between meals, which make it easier to resist unhealthy food cravings. People who eat almonds daily tend to consume fewer carbohydrates over the course of each day. Studies shown that getting plenty of vitamin E in your diet can help prevent aging-related cognitive declines, preserve memory, and boost daily alert trips. The nerve on the brain and the protein help to repair brain cells. Therefore, improving cognitive function keep your brain healthy throughout the life. Help to ward off Alzheimer's disease, and eating almonds can be a big part of that. We have suggested 2 almonds as a baseline amount to consume daily, but you don't necessarily have to stop it if you really enjoy them.